Scott, it's really nice to meet you again. We heard a lot about you, and we see you as somebody who has kept the promises, bring the diversification in the government. We were answering all the questions. Like a lot of politicians would come to our mosque and would say, Muslims are great people. We know we are okay, but we want to know when people can go on a stage and say to whole America that Muslims are good and they are part of the society. And when it comes to giving the jobs, other than somebody who's a liaison in the office or low-paid jobs, some of us can be health commissioners, or there are 800,000 Muslims in New York. So we put down billions of dollars in this economy. We create hundreds and thousands of jobs. And APPAC is that organization which is national. We have many chapters from all over the country. We are joined and listen to you. And we are really proud to have you as a partner of our community, and Muslims in general and Pakistani community. We are working with you. We've been working with you. Want to work more in future. Hope to see you more often coming out in community and giving more diversification in your government.
One of the things that I was proud to do during the Trump presidency, when he targeted the Muslim community in this country, is I would go to the rallies to say that there was no place for Islamophobia and hate. But I would always cite the data that you just cited, which is the power of the Muslim community as an economic engine for our city is real. And that the Muslim community is in all walks of life, medical, finance, entertainment, generating untold tax revenue for the city. I went on stage in front of thousands of people as controller to make the case, which is true. And I've been proud of this community because this is an emerging community that's going to get bigger and stronger, more powerful, and for the right reason. Because when people know what the community contributes to the city, then we should never be blinded by hate. And look, I worry about the community because Donald Trump has poisoned a lot of people. We see it with anti-Asian rhetoric. We see it with Muslim rhetoric. We've seen it with anti-Semitism. One of the things that we've got to do as a city is come together. And I will be somebody who will be on stage every opportunity to make sure that we build the Muslim community to a point where we can see the real political power, the ability for people to run for office, people to serve at the highest levels of government. I agree with you. I am not going to be the mayor and say, here's 2 low-paying jobs. Aren't you lucky? No, you're going to be on the transition committee. You're going to be identifying leaders for our government. You're going to be helping me build a government. And the business community in the Muslim community is going to be part of the revival of this city. I need your help. I need your help if we win to think about how we're going to preserve all those immigrant businesses, not just in the Muslim community, but every community. We're going to need your expertise in terms of how we speak in the language of our people. And that means we're going to have to build the most diverse administration in the city. But I am off to a good start because I have built an office with high-level people from the community. And again, I've built the relationships with so many of you. I don't have to introduce myself after the election, right? I'm going to be able to sit down and say, okay, let's get to work. I would be honored to have your support. I would be honored to campaign side by side with you. I need your support to win. There's no doubt. We need to get every Democratic Muslim vote, everyone in the Pakistani community out there, because if we're going to win, I need you. I need your endorsement. I need your support. And then if we win this primary, it would be just the honor of a lifetime to bring this city back. I've got 2 little kids, a 3rd grader and a 2nd grader. And you know what motivates me? I just say, imagine if we could bring this city back for the children of the city. But we also have to make sure as mayor that we bring it back for every child. The reason that all of you do this work is because of your children. You worry about your kids and your grandkids. You worry about hate against them. They're vulnerable. They need our help. They need halal food. They need education. They need a mayor who's going to watch over the families. And I just want you to know that if I get elected mayor, that's going to be the person that's going to watch the backs of the city's most vulnerable. So thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. It was nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.